Hi, I'm Carlos Holmes, the BMW Genius here at Newbold BMW in O'Fallon, Illinois. Today, I'll show you all about the Accelerator Tool, which allows you to customize your trade-in and purchase of a vehicle, all in the comfort of your home. To begin, all you have to do is go to our website, newboldbmw.com, select from the top menu to decide if you'd like to purchase a new car or a pre-owned car. The left side of the screen allows you to filter out by model or series. Once you find a car that you're interested in, click Customize Your Deal. This will allow you to decide if you're looking to finance the vehicle or lease the vehicle, shows the asking price, and also includes BMW's discounts or rebates that we're currently offering. Indicate what your credit score is like, the terms that you would like, whether 24 months, 36, or 39, and how many miles per year you drive. If you have a trade-in that you'd like us to consider, you can enter it here. At the top, it shows what the estimated monthly payment would be for this vehicle. You can calculate taxes or submit your offer. This is where you'll enter your contact information so that one of our dealership representatives will be able to contact you easily and submit your offer. This brings us to our next step, which allows you to decide how much money, if any, you'd like to put down, enter your location, and continue to summary. This final page shows a breakdown of everything that has to do with this deal, and then you can submit, or you can also select to take a test drive. The final section of this allows you to automatically apply for credit. It automatically pre-populates the information that you provided on the previous menu. Submit. Once you complete this, one of our dealership representatives will be contacting you shortly. Once again, I'm Carlos Holmes, the BMW Genius here at Newbold BMW in O'Fallon, Illinois. If you have any questions about this product or anything else that we have to offer, feel free to contact me at 618-628-7300.